What's up mga kanaisers? Today I will be answering some questions from the comment section sa aking mga videos. I hope ma-enlighten kayo sa mga sagot ko and I hope na makatulong din ako if you have the same questions as them. Question: anong level po pwedeng turuan ng fresh graduate? Well, if you are a fresh graduate, pwede mong turuan sa pagkakaalam ko ay any level from primary up to secondary or elementary up to high school. However, kapag ikaw ay no experience at wala kang master's degree, hindi ka pwedeng makapagturo sa college or university level subjects. Lagi kong nare-recommend to if you are a fresh graduate and wala ka pang experience, go get some experience first from OJT or other sources and then you can apply as a teacher. It's better because if you have experience, mas madali kang tanggapin at mas preferred ka over those without experience. Question: meron po bang fruit picker dyan sa Thailand, sir? Dito sa Thailand, as far as I know, wala pong fruit picker or any kind of work sa farm dahil most of the Thai people are doing those works and those kinds of works sa farm, fruit pickers and so on, they are limited to Thai people or they are reserved for Thai people. Hindi po pwedeng mag-work ang mga foreigners sa mga ganong klaseng line of work dahil they are reserved for Thai people lamang, or for those nationalities that have special visas like the Myanmar people, Cambodian, and also the Laotian people. Most of the Filipinos that I know are working as teachers or offices or restaurant staff or help sa house. Question: pwede ba fresh graduate mag-apply as teachers? The answer to that is yes. And as I recommend always, kailangan mong magkaroon ng experience muna bago ka mag-apply para mas madali ka makapasok as a teacher. Use your OJT experience or kapag nakapag-work ka na as an online teacher before or while studying, that is also a good experience to put sa resume mo. But even if you don't have experience directly, you can still work as a teacher here. Or sa tingin mo hindi enough ang experience mo, you can still try to apply as a teacher. Malamang sa malamang dahil you are an English speaker, you can be hired as a teacher to teach English. However, it is not guaranteed na makakakuha ka ng trabaho if you have no experience. That is only my opinion. Question: hello Emil, ask ko lang if there is a chance to be a music teacher dyan sa Thailand and performer also, as my son is a graduate of 5 years music major in voice. Yes po, there is a chance for your son to be a music teacher or a performer here sa Thailand. However, as far as I know, you are limited to your working permit or what your work permit allows you to work as. For example, if you work as a teacher and you get a work permit as a teacher, then you should just be a teacher. You cannot be a performer of some sort unless it's just a side gig. If you're a performer and your work permit is related to being a performer or focuses on being a performer, then you will also just have to work as a performer. If you are given a work permit to work as a performer, then you should stick to being a performer because you cannot work as a teacher while also being a performer unless one is a part-time gig and the other is a full-time job. But as I said, stick to what your work permit says you should work as. That's it mga kanaisers. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below so that I can see your questions. And sasagutin ko po mga tanong nyo to the best of my ability with the most simple answer that I can give and easy, straight to the point answers. See you guys next time. Peace.